We want to be very clear that this is not a full-blown programming class, just in case you didn't catch that from the name of the class. This class gives you the necessary Python skills to be able to complete DeSci 300. This class is basically a syntax class that goes over the Python language at low Earth orbit. You'll learn simple concepts that are common to all programming languages, like data types, how to do math, Boolean comparison, etc. We will jump into functions because you need to learn how to write functions. There are many repetitive tasks in data science that are better implemented as functions. So we're going to train you how to automate things, so you're not violating what software engineers call the DRY principle. DRY stands for do not repeat yourself. In plain language, you don't want to write the same code over and over again because that would be a drag. We won't be getting into how to write performant code or designing classes or documentation or about a million other things we're going to cover in CSci 200 and CSci 250. Let's talk about why you should take this course.